In today's lecture, we will discuss the preposition of movement. Let's discuss the first preposition, into. Into indicates movement towards the inside or interior of a place. For example, she walked into the room. In this example, the preposition into is used to describe the movement of the person toward the interior of the room. Next is onto. Onto indicates movement to a position on a surface or to a higher position. For example, the cat jumped onto the table. Here, onto expresses the movement of the cat as it jumps from the floor to the surface of the table. The next one is through. Through denotes movement from one side to the other or from the beginning to the end of something. For example, he walked through the door. Here, through signifies the movement of the person from one side of the door to the other. Next is across. Across signifies movement from one side to the other, typically over a surface. For example, they swam across the river. The preposition across indicates the movement of individuals from one side of the river to the opposite side. The next preposition is along. Along describes movement in a line parallel to or beside something. We strolled along the beach. In this case, along is used to convey the movement of individuals walking beside the beach. Next preposition is over. Over indicates movement above or across a surface. For example, the bird flew over the house. In this example, the preposition over describes the bird's movement above the roof of the house. The next one is around. Around describes movement in a circular or surrounding path. For example, they walked around the park. Here, around indicates the movement of individuals as they walk in a circular path within the park. The next preposition is up. Up signifies movement in an upward direction. For example, he climbed up the stairs. Here, up indicates the movement of the person ascending the stairs, meaning in the upward direction. Next is down. Down denotes movement in a downward direction. For example, she carefully climbed down the ladder. Here, the preposition down indicates the careful descent of the person from the ladder. The next preposition is past. Past indicates movement by something or someone. For example, they ran past the shops. Past signifies the movement of individuals running by or alongside the shops. So these are some prepositions of movement. Thank you. Thank you for joining with us. Thanks a lot.